Hi, Peter. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes. How are you today, Peter?
I'm great. How about
Wow,
you?
I feel good too because I'm so full. Have you eaten dinner yet?
I'm eating dinner now.
Ah, okay. What are you eating?
Um, I'm eating mushroom and um, and rice.
Wow, that's perfect. Okay, healthy. Okay, so anyway, today we are now in Unit
Teacher,
11. Uh-huh.
why you call?
I'm sorry.
Why you call? You say you call.
Oh, I'm so full because I just had my dinner too.
Hmm.
Yes.
You
But
have
I only
dinner also.
had but I only had bread, ham, lettuce, and tomatoes. It's like a sandwich.
What is
Yeah,
ham?
for dinner. Yeah, ham. Just for dinner. Okay.
What
So,
is ham?
uh-huh. Yeah, ham.
What is
Like HAM. Ham. Oh,
what
why is
is
it not
ham mean?
like this one?
What is it?
Oh, you don't know? Here it is, Peter. Okay, a ham is actually in a rectangular or let's say square shape. Okay, and this is what it's like a pork ham, like this one,
Ham.
like that.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is like a pork ham. Yes,
Hmm.
but the ham that I had, okay, is this one. Ham slices, thin
Okay.
ones, like that.
Tin.
Okay, so anyway, we are now in Unit 11. So Unit 11 is all about visiting different places. So what are the different places that you like to visit, Peter?
Hmm. Mm, I like school, museum,
Mm-hmm.
cinema, library, and toy store
Wow, that's really nice,
and
Peter.
supermarket.
Oh, very good. So, what is your favorite among those places?
Mm, Cinema and supermarket.
Very good. Can you tell me why cinema and supermarket are your favorites?
No, one more is toy
Mm-hmm.
store. Toy
Oh,
store.
three. So, if you will just choose one, okay, cinema, toy store, or supermarket, just one.
Mm,
Which is your most favorite?
Supermarkets because
Uh,
in supermarkets have toy and cinema.
Wow. Oh, in supermarket, I think they don't have a cinema, but they have lots of toys there.
No,
Mm-hmm.
in my in here there
Mm-hmm.
is a cinema in the supermarket
Oh, wow. That's really great. That's really great. Is it in the same
building.
area? Oh yeah, the same building. I know that there are cinemas, okay, in the mall. So you are referring to a mall because a mall is a huge building. And inside the mall there are shoe store, toy shops, supermarket, cinema, food court, and many more shops. Clothes shop like
Teacher,
that.
like that,
Mm-hmm.
like that. This is the gate, and
Yeah,
this is toy store, clothes store, um,
that's right.
cinema, um, vegetable
Supermarket,
store,
that's right.
many, many
Yes.
department store.
So, yeah, so that is what we call mall because a mall has it all. Or let's say a shopping center like that. So let's look at the activity in part A in here. So this is very simple, Peter. You're going to read the sentences, then complete the words from 2 to 10 in the puzzle. Okay, so look at the example. This is green, and you can usually find it in the gardens. Cows eat it. So we have grass. So take note that all answers in here has S, has letter S. Okay, what about number two, Peter?
You can walk up before they know the mountain.
They're lower the mountains. Okay,
Tower,
try again. The tower doesn't have S. Oh, look, this is a mountain. Okay, so what is lower than the mountain? And it
what
has
is
S
lower?
at the end. Lower, like for example, this tree. Okay, this tree is tall. Then I'm going to draw a tree that is lower than this, like this one. Lower
Ah,
means shorter than
hills,
that.
hills.
Yes, very good. Heels. Okay, what about number three? You find these on farms, and some farmers grow vegetables in them.
Mm, vegetable.
Where do farmers plant vegetables and fruits?
Mm, grass, ground,
Grass,
ground.
ground. It has letter S. You're almost there. What's the other word for ground that has letter S? Okay, let me give you a clue. It starts with letter F, then ends with letter S. What's that?
Rừng đỏ xanh. Đất, đất đỏ xanh.
And you can also see tractors in here.
Farmer, farm.
Farmer. Farms. Let's see. Farms. Try again. But you're almost there. Very close. We have
I don't
fields.
feel.
You're very close. Ground, farms. The other word is field. What about this one? Okay, number four. This is usually yellow. It's under your feet when you walk on the sand. Oh, when you walk on the beach.
Sand,
Yes, I already said the answer. Okay, very good. What about number five? People live and work in these places. They're like towns, but smaller than towns. Yes, it
country,
also starts country.
country.
Try again. It ends in letter S, and it also starts with letter S. Oh, let me see. Oh,
Surprise, surround,
it
surround.
try again. It probably starts with letter V or letter S, either of the two, but they all ends in letter S.
I don't
They're
know.
like towns but smaller. So we have here villages or suburbs. Oh yeah, villages. Okay. How about this one? You see these on all kinds of plants. They sometimes fall off from trees. And they also change
Fruit,
colors
fruit. Is that
when it's
fruit?
summer.
Fruit.
Oh, they also
Flowers.
try again. They also change colors from summer to
Leaves, leaves,
fall.
leaves, leaves.
Yes, leaves. Very good. How about number seven? You can find thousands of tall trees in this place. So what's that? If you want to see lots of trees, where do you go?
Jungle, forest.
Very good. Okay, number eight. There is water all around this place, so you need a boat to get to it.
Ocean,
Try again. So this is a place that is surrounded by water. And when we go there,
Iceland.
we have, yes, very good. But I want you to say island.
Island.
Very good. So island, the letter S is silent. How about number nine? Most of these are really pretty and you find them on the beach or at the bottom of the sea.
Mm.
Their colors, some
Starfish. Starfish. Starfish.
try again. It also ends in letter S. Starts with letter S, it ends with letter S. Sometimes they're yellow, and most of the time they're white. What is it?
I don't know. Ah,
Okay.
cells.
Yes, there you go. Shells. Okay, last one, Peter. When it rains, this is gray and it has lots of clouds in it.
Sky.
Wow, very good. So let's look at this one. Bonus. Okay, it is a large area of land that has very little water. What is it?
Sky.
Number 11. This is a bonus for you. It is a large area of land that has very little water. And this is where you can see lots of camels.
Is that
Yes, desert. Very good. So, how many points have you gotten here? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so wow, that's actually a good score. 9 out of 10. Great job, Peter. So you have this ribbon.
yeah.
Yeah.
Teacher, why is the question is 10 but the answer is 11?
Ah, actually, there's another question in here, like this one. Yes, this is a bonus question for you, just in case that you got some mistakes from numbers 1 to 10. So if you got this right, then that's going to be an additional point. That's what bonus is. Okay. Now, how about here, Peter? So, look, what are the five so it's done. Anyway, so let's look and read. In listening part 5,
Mm. Listen, box 5. You have to write a word from the vocabulary list in the picture. The word will not spelled out and is usually a noun. You need to write the word in the correct place and to spell the word correctly. To gain the mark, the word you are ready to write will make sense in the context. For example, write bands on your on the box and you can see the teacher there.
yes, like that. So do you understand the flyer's tip?
Yes, I understand.
Very good. Okay. So I want you to look at this word again, Peter. How do you read this?
Vocabulary.
Okay, I want you to say vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
View. Vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
All right. So what about this time? Look at the picture and answer the question. So these boys are on holiday. Where are they, Peter?
Mm, they're on the picnic.
Where,
Mm,
which place are they having a picnic?
mm, the forest.
Very good. Okay, what are the boys doing?
The boy is eating.
Okay, yes, they're having a picnic and one boy is eating a sandwich. Okay, what kind of animal can you see on the nearest hill?
Mm, you can see a goat, mm,
That's right.
a spider,
Mm-hmm.
and a parrot.
Very good. Okay, so one goat is at the top of the hill. Where is the other one?
The other one is the next to the
Pardon?
ball.
Yes, very good, Peter. Okay, so this time you're going to listen and color or write your answer. Here it is, Peter.
11B. Visiting different places. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Hi, Charlie. Do you like this picture?
It's quite funny. Can I color it?
Of course. What would you like to color first?
Well, can you see the boy with the parrot on his shoulder?
Yes.
I'd like to color his backpack. There! It's green now.
Can you see the green backpack? This is an example. Now you listen and color and write. 1.
What else can I color?
What about one of the animals?
Which one?
The goat at the bottom of the waterfall.
Okay. Is the water in that stream deep?
I don't know. Use the color brown for that one, please.
Sure.
2.
What can I do next?
Can you see the boys' baseball caps?
Yes. Can I color the one that the boy on the right is wearing?
Good idea.
How about blue? Is that all right?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
3.
Now I'd like you to write something.
Okay. On the board? Under the cloud?
Yes.
Can I call that place Sky Hill?
We need a longer word than that. I'd like to choose the name White Hill instead.
It isn't its color, but okay.
4.
What would you prefer to color next?
The empty plate, I think.
Okay. Use purple, please. No, actually, orange is a better color for that.
All right. No problem.
Great.
5.
And let's write another word now.
Where?
On the flat box by the sandwiches.
Okay. Is it something you can eat? I can see the word pie on it.
Good guessing. Put the word kiwi above that.
Right. Does that taste good?
It's delicious. And this picture looks great now. Well done.
Thanks.
Wow, that was brilliant, Peter. Very good because you've got it all correct. So for this one, you have 5 out of 5. Brilliant. So you have one big star for that one. So Peter, look, how many food did the boys bring?
Mm, can you
How
say
many
again?
kinds of how many kinds of food did the boys bring?
Mm, one kind of fruit.
What is it?
Sandwiches.
Ah, okay, there's actually another one. And we have kiwi pie. Okay, have you ever tasted a kiwi pie?
I don't know who why.
Oh, you don't know what a kiwi, but do you know what an apple pie is?
No, sir.
No? Ah, okay,
I
let me
don't
show you
know
a picture.
pie.
Here it is. Ah, a pie looks like this one. Like this. Like that one. But if it is served to you, it is served like this with a slice on it. So as you can see, inside of the crust, okay, there is what we call apple inside of this pie. So instead of an apple, they use kiwi in it. Do you know the fruits kiwi?
Yeah.
Yes? Very good. So imagine a kiwi pie. Do you think it tastes good? What do you think of it? Is it tasty or not? Okay, let me show you a picture of a kiwi pie. Because me, I've never tasted a kiwi pie. Yes, but this is what it looks like.
My mom, my
Like
mom make,
that.
my mom make it a banana pie.
Oh yeah, banana pie, that's great. Apple pie, it's great. But a kiwi pie, I don't think so. Okay, so did you like the banana pie that your mom made?
Yeah.
Wow, very good, Peter. Okay, so let's look at Alice. You can see a girl in this picture. Her name is Alice. So she's on a holiday. So I'm going to ask you a question. Where is she?
She is under dessert.
Yes, very good. What can you see behind her?
Mm. I can see a Ken behind him.
Okay. Okay. What is this?
A camel.
Very good. Okay. So what kinds of animals can you see?
Mm. I can see mm, camel.
Yes. Okay. Is camel a fish, a reptile, a mammal, an amphibian, or what?
Can say again. My mom
Okay. So
have
what
a call with
kind
her
of
friend.
animal is the camel? Is it a mammal, a fish, a bird, an amphibian, a reptile, or what? An insect?
Mammal. Mammal.
Yes, it is a mammal. Very good. So, what are other animals that are considered mammals?
Mm.
We have
Lion.
cat, dog,
Lion.
bears. Very good. Okay, so they are mammals. Okay, how many camels are there, Peter?
There are two camels.
Very good. What's the other camel doing?
Mm. The other camel is drinking water.
That's right. Okay. So let's look at this one, Peter. So, what is Alice saying to her friend Dan? So, you choose the best answer. I will be Dan and you'll be Alice. Okay. So, I'm calling you. Hello, Alice. How are you? Is everything okay?
Mm. B. Mm. We are having wonderful time. Thanks.
Are you camping next to a lake again?
Mm. That's right. It one in Yellow Hill Desert, actually.
Who else is there with you?
Mm. My parents, but I see other people here too.
Okay, are there any wild animals?
Mm, I seen a crocodile in the river near here.
Where do you sleep at night?
Mm, mm, we got tents that have special camping bed inside them.
What about the weather there?
Mm, it's tend from cold at night and very hot in the day.
Oh, wow, that sounds great. Okay, have a great holiday, Alice.
Mm,
All right.
thank you.
So thank you so much for your answers in here, Peter. So well done for you. That's perfect again. So you have one big candy. Okay, what about you, Peter? Where do you want to go on your next holiday?
Mm, I want to go overseas.
Wow. So which country do you want to go?
Mm, mm,
Do you want to go to the USA?
you,
To the
yeah.
Wow, can you tell me why do you want to go in the US?
This car, I have my uncle and my aunt in the USA.
Very good. In which state are
Yeah,
they living?
on Texas.
Texas. Very good, Peter. Okay. Do you also want to study in the US?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay. So that's really nice because if you will be a college student in the US, then there are so many opportunities out there for you. Yes, after you graduate from a prestigious university. Okay. So I want you to think more questions that Dan can ask Alice. So Lee, we will switch. You will be Dan, I'll be Alice. All right?
Teacher, but where is Mama?
Oh, actually, Matmat is not right here. So he is in his father's house.
Father house?
Okay, so in the other house, not here in our house, because Matmat Lee is actually he actually started school. So every Mondays to Fridays, he's not here in our house. So only Saturdays and Sundays, he would visit us when there's no school because the school is very close to his father's house. So my sister just left him there.
Is your sister have husband?
Yeah, that's Mat's father.
Yeah.
Yes. Why do you miss Mat?
Mm, I
Mm.
only ask.
Yes. Okay. So anyway, let's look at so this time since you're given the chance to ask question, you pretend that you're Dan. Okay, ask me any question about my holiday.
Mm, mm, what did you do on the dessert?
What did I do on the desert? I actually went on a holiday with my parents and I
Yeah,
rode
wait a
the
minute.
camel. Mm-hmm. Okay, Peter.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, 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 what did you eat in the dessert?
Okay. We had sandwich apples, and uh salad. Yes.
Mm,
Okay.
is that yummy?
Yes, they are very delicious. Okay, so thank you so much for asking me questions, Peter. So for that one, I will also give you another one candy. So for today's class, you've got two candies, one star, one great
Teacher,
job. So if I'm gonna ask you,
teacher.
Peter, uh-huh.
Mm, mm, the the this candy you make it.
Oh yeah, I made it. It's just a cartoon. And I paste it on the, what do you call this one? Like
Ice
uh
cream. It's
no.
in the ice cream.
Yeah, like the stick that we use for the ice drop, like
Mm.
that. Okay, so yeah, I made them as a reward. Just like you, if you, since you did great in our class, so I gave you those candies as a reward. Okay, so Peter, I have a question for you before we end. What did you learn today?
I learned about more places.
That's right. Like what places were mentioned in Unit 11?
Mm, is that and
Very
beach
good.
and
That's right.
supermarket and cinema, toy store and department store.
Very good. So well done, Peter. Enjoy your dinner and see you next week. Bye bye, Peter.
Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye bye.